Here we are, Commodore. I can't remember the street number, but it's on Commodore. This is not vinyl. It's whatever that wood is called. Sorry, my brain is fried. The cement board. That's what I was trying to say. Kind of a cool fireplace. Wood burning. Nice high ceilings. Tile floor. Much smaller kitchen than the one I just got for y'all. And I feel like this is poor planning. I can't even get that open. Try the other hand. Well, okay. Well, anyway, that's a garage. This is their enclosed Florida room, which does not have central heat and air, so they added in the window unit. I don't know how you feel about that. Okay. Looks like we got a nice new deck out here. Oh, there's the garage. I don't know if you can see anything in there. Big, beautiful oak tree. This yard definitely needs some beautification. I feel like maybe this house has been empty a while because our neighborhood is usually pretty stringent about keeping up your yard. I'm not sure what that cement pad is out there. I'm wondering if there's a leak in that pool liner because that water's really low, and then they have the hose right there. Primary bedroom, good size. They have his and hers, or hers and hers, or his and his closets. Ooh. Tile all the way to the ceiling. Linen closet. Good size for a secondary bedroom. Carpet looks okay. Yeah. Oh, coat closet, yeah. Okay, that should wrap this one up. That was the primary again on the left. Hope this helps.